Do you want your Roblox game to look professional and attract more players? The first thing people see is your game icon. Today, I'll show you how to create and upload a perfect Roblox game icon in the right size. Roblox game icons must be exactly 512 by 512 pixels. They should be square, clear, and eye-catching. First, open Roblox Studio and take a screenshot of your game scene or character. Use a simple background and good lighting to make it look clean. Next, go to a free online editor like Canva or Pixlr. Create a new design with 512 by 512 pixel dimensions. Upload your screenshot. Then add bold text or effects to make your icon stand out. Keep it simple and avoid too many details. Once you are happy with your design, download the image as PNG. Now, go to your Roblox Creator Dashboard. Select your game, then go to the Configure Game section. Upload your new icon in the Icon tab and save changes. And that's it. Your game now has a professional and attractive icon. If you want more Roblox Studio tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.